Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka Meghalaya Open Basketball Championship Arajar Khatpra. Kalakut no ne kasni balang jong katayo ka arpu pratere guluber Arajar Khatpra da kijinga kon final hapdeng ka Tililang Sports Club bat ka Nongrem Hill Sports Club na bentaki kenthai bat ka Happy Valley Wild Kids persya ya ka Kingsman SC jong kishenrang. Kidon baro khat khandai kenhun kinoi le ka shenrang. Bat san kenhun jong ki kenthai ha kani kijinga kon ka bala pelong da ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs ka bala sedang nadu ka arpulai trek uluber Arajar Khatpra hamadan basketball jong ka JN Sports Complex Polo. Ya kani ke championship laidon bentalang ru da ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. Ha kani ke semi final jong ka jikon ladon ke jingelang ha ka bauba PW Ingti IAS Additional Chief Secretary ulalong kongsan ringkat ke jingedon lang ka Director Katnat Sports and Youth Affairs ikong Mat Siudorwar kumju ru u Dr. S Lingdo Project Director jong ka MACS. Ha ka jingkon final ka Kingsman SC kala penliam ya ka Happy Valley Wild Kids dan Riu Pra la Lai Pun Riu Basket. Ha kaliang jingkin thaipat ka Nongrem Hills SC kala penliam no ya ka Tililang SC da Saup Khandai la Lai Pu R Basket. Ki kenhun la do jogi shenrang bat ken thai kilayo khong ya ka khusnam ka balai pho hajar tengka ringkat bagi trofi kat bagi kenhun bawan baar kilayo markat san hajar tengka ringkat bagi trofi. Center up dulu. Andar go. Will kita.
Good one, yeah. Nice one. Chris. Nice one. Nice one. Go. Come back, come back. Come back, come back.
20.
Hey, don't go out. Don't go out. No need. Coming, Rosette, coming. Coming, Rosette. Go in room. No, don't fly. Wait. Come back, come back, come back. It's okay, it's okay. Good one, good one. Keep up, keep up, keep up. You're playing good. Just in defense. Talk to each other. Talk to each other in defense. Stay. Pay up, Milele. Create that space. Go. Saya, Rita, saya. Wait. There.
Keep on clapping, please. They are really strong. Come on, keep clapping for your fellow viewers.
Three cheers for Kingsman,